don't know how we got, well, I know how we got here, but I don't know, it wasn't planned, it's spontaneous. So we got to Atlanta yesterday. There's a basketball tournament going on, which one of Tyron's best friends is coaching. And so we decided to just join him, and now we're in Atlanta. Yesterday we went to the basketball tournament. Tyron went this morning, I went and worked out. I decided it's time to get myself together because I haven't worked out in a long time and I'm just starting to feel just blah, you know what I mean? So yesterday we didn't do much. Today's our first real day to go explore Atlanta. It's my first time. Tyron has been here a few times. There they go.
What's up?
What up, Beezy? Said we're about to go explore Atlanta. Like we did in Austin, we did the bike tour and I loved it. Tyron loved it. So we're about to go rent some bikes and go around the Beltline and just go from there.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I said this.
We just changed locations because the other bike shop didn't have electric bikes. Let's check out this one.
Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, 'cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far.
Atlanta is amazing. We're having a blast. First of all, temperatures, impeccable. Nature, impeccable. Look at these boys.
That was the coconut too. I wanted some fucking too, but they didn't do that.
Oh, Lord. The joys of traveling with boys. Time for some lunch.
Stop playing. What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Yeah. What's up, yeah, vlog?
Yeah, vlog.
Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, 'cause I wanna believe that.
You're ready?
You go with your day.
Thank you.
I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back.
Thank you. the next day. And yesterday got a little bit out of control. I drank a little bit too much to my liking. We went out, we got home about like 4 a.m. and now I'm feeling sluggish, you know, I'm feeling a little bit but you know, I'm meeting up with a friend of mine, Tiana. She is from Atlanta. I met her in Paris last year, and we actually have been following each other on Instagram for like 3 or 4 years, probably during the pandemic. Started during the pandemic. So I'm meeting her and I'm taking some of her pictures because I would like to practice my camera skills a little bit more. And she's a content creator, so you know, content creators can always use the content, so that's fun. She's picking me up in about 5, maybe 10 minutes. I'll be taking her pictures and some real videos today. Yeah, so let's get the day started.